Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is December the 19th. We are out here in Grayson, Georgia, not far from my shop. So what we're going to be doing here today, guys, is it's a huge project. It's a little bit over it's about 2,500 square feet, all pine floors. This client actually found me online. I came out last week, did a consultation. She booked on the spot. She also did a 10% deposit because she did have to go out of the country. So her neighbor, I'm working with the neighbor who met me here this morning to let us in. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is a screen recoat with color correction. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, so again, we are in Grayson, Georgia. Actually, I have a handful of clients in this neighborhood, beautiful neighborhood. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today. All right, so this is going to be a huge walkthrough. So you can see these pine floors have all this missing stain. Wow. This is going to be a huge color correction. So we got this whole walk-in area right here. Alrighty, so coming through this door. Alright, let me close this door. This is a huge project, guys. And then here, this area right here. Let me close this front door. And we got this area right here. Okay, come on through. Now the hallway, which connected to where I was right there in the kitchen here. Then we got a bedroom right here, which isn't too bad. All right, down here, and then we have the master bedroom, which is nice size master with the his and hers bathrooms, closets. There's the potty room, okay, another his and hers with a closet. All right. Then coming on down. And then this area right here, small bathroom. And then this room right here, which isn't too bad. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Come back and show you some results. Oh, wow, look at the neighbors. Back the backyard. That's nice. Wow, beautiful. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got the floor screened, vacuum, clean and tack, and color correction. Look how much better these floors look now. Mr. Larry, who's one of the neighbors, just came by, looked at the floors, and went on and gave me the payment. So we're going ahead and get the finish down now. Walk through here. Look at all this, guys. Look how much better this floor looks. Look at this. Wow. All that missing color. Wow. Beautiful. So Tavares is just doing a little touch-ups. Whereas these floors, this is an old floor. So just a little areas where we're ready to get that color down in the floor. But you can just see how much better this floor looks now. All right, guys, we're going ahead and start getting the poly down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, look at these floors now. Actually, I'm here with Mr. Larry. The gas people are here to turn the gas on, so the floors are still a little wet. So I'm walking on certain parts of the floor with my shoes off. Guys, look how much better these floors look now. Man, look at this improvement. Now, it's still a little wet over here because this is where we kind of rolled out. So you can see like some wet spots right there. So I'm not going to walk on it. But man, this floor came out amazing. And also, too, for a fraction of the price of sanding this floor, she was looking at close to about $15,000. And look at the improvement of this floor with screen recoat and color correction. Wow. Man, this looks amazing. So that's gonna do it, guys. So I'm gonna tell them if they can stay off the floors for at least about another, well, it depends on, I think they just gotta go to the basement, and the basement is right here. But everything else, oh man, this floor looks amazing. Wow. What do you guys think, man? Well, wow, look at this floor. Wow. Turn the fan on. Looks so good. All right. So it is still drying. Certain areas, there is no heat yet or air. But, you know, eventually everything is going to look really good once everything settles, self-levels. See right here. Oh, that looks so good. So good. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you in the next one.